Hi there! Halloween is coming soon and I decided to make a cool tutorial for you. In this video I'll show you how to make the felt chokers in 5 minutes. Put your thumbs up if you want to see more similar tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel Jill the Kids, where your kids will learn how to make interesting and simple things. So, let's start! I have made a couple versions as an example. Please write in the comments what choker you liked. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell below so you don't miss new videos. See you next time on Jill the Workshop. Bye!